Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AWS Cloud. Begin by grasping the foundational concepts of cloud computing and AWS. Explore the AWS free tier, which offers over 100 products, allowing you to experiment with services like Amazon EC2 for 12 months. Focus on understanding core services such as Amazon S3 for storage and Amazon VPC for networking. This initial step builds a strong base for your cloud journey. Next, dive into hands-on practice. Building small projects directly in the AWS console is crucial for practical understanding. For instance, deploy a simple website using S3 and CloudFront. Consider aiming for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. It validates your overall understanding of the AWS cloud with a passing score of 700 out of 1,000. This step solidifies your knowledge and provides a recognized credential. As you progress, explore more advanced AWS services. Dive into serverless computing with AWS Lambda or manage databases with Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon RDS. Think about specializing in a particular area, perhaps as a solutions architect or a developer. AWS offers over 200 fully featured services, providing ample opportunities to deepen your expertise in fields like security or machine learning. Finally, continuous learning is key in the ever-evolving cloud landscape. AWS releases new features and services regularly, sometimes over 100 updates in a single year. Join AWS user groups and online forums to connect with peers and share knowledge. Participate in workshops and advanced courses to keep your skills sharp and relevant. This ongoing engagement ensures you remain proficient and informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.